How to measure distance using Google Map. In this video, we will see how can we easily measure distance between any two places on Google Map. So without any delay, let's get started. Firstly, we will need to open our Google Map application and then choose a particular place, and then after it is chosen, scroll down, you will see the option of measure distance. Click on it and now move the cursor to other end up to which you want to measure the distance. Make sure you add as many points you can add on the way to make the distance more precise. Now here I am just showing for an example, but you need to zoom in and make your measurement more precise. And that's it. You can see the distance being measured. There you can see 1.6 mi, but I'm pretty sure it's more than that. To make it more precise, add as many points you can add and do it by zooming in. So that's it. That is how you can measure distance using Google Map between any two places. I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.